Hello. Hola, and welcome to Spanish for Starters. I'm Camila, your Spanish teacher and friend.
And I'm Ben, your favorite beginner. I'm super excited to learn Spanish with you today.
That's the spirit, Ben. And hello to our listeners, too. Today, we'll start from the very beginning. Greetings, numbers, days of the week, common objects, food and drinks, and daily activities.
Wow, that's a lot. But don't worry, right? You'll go slow?
Very slow, step by step. We'll repeat words, practice together, and you'll get it easily.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Okay, first, let's learn greetings. How to say hello, good morning, and goodbye.
Great. I meet people every day, so this will help me a lot.
Exactly. In Spanish, hello is hola.
Hola. That's easy. Hola.
Very good. Try again, everyone listening. Say hola.
Hola.
Nice. Now, good morning is Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Perfect. Try again. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Great. Good afternoon is Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Excellent. And good night is Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Good. Now, how do we say hello?
Hola.
And good morning?
Buenos días.
Beautiful. When you leave, you can say adios. That means goodbye.
Adios.
Great. And if you want to say see you later, say hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Wonderful, Ben.
Camila, how do I say, how are you?
Good question. You say, ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Perfect. And the answer could be, estoy bien. I'm fine.
Estoy bien.
Lovely. Listeners, repeat. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien.
I like it. Spanish sounds happy.
Yes, it really does. Okay, quick review. Say with me. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, adiós, hasta luego, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien.
That was fun. I already feel like I can talk to people.
Perfect. Now let's learn numbers.
Oh yes, numbers are important for phone numbers, money, everything.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Exactly. Let's start with 1 to 10. Listen carefully and then repeat. 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. 5, cinco. 6, seis. 7, siete. 8, ocho. 9, nueve. 10, diez.
Wow, that sounds musical. Can I try repeating?
Please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent pronunciation.
Thanks, but maybe a bit slower for our listeners.
Of course. Let's all repeat together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice.
Wonderful. And if you want to say how many, you say cuántos.
¿Cuántos?
Yes. Like cuántos libros, how many books.
¿Cuántos libros?
Perfect. You're doing great, Ben.
Thank you, Teacher Camila.
Now let's learn the days of the week.
Oh, yes. I always forget what day it is anyway.
This'll help. In Spanish, the week starts with Monday, Lunes.
Lunes.
Then Tuesday, Martes.
Martes.
Miércoles,
Wednesday.
Miércoles.
Oh, that one sounds cool.
It does. Thursday, Jueves.
Jueves.
Friday, Viernes.
Viernes.
Saturday, Sábado.
Sábado.
And Sunday, Domingo.
Domingo.
Perfect. Let's say them together slowly. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves,
viernes, sábado, domingo.
Wow, that's a lot, but I think I got it.
Let's test you. What's Friday?
Viernes.
Excellent. And Sunday?
Domingo.
Great. Listeners, repeat one more time. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo.
I like saying miércoles. It sounds like music.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, now let's learn about common objects, things around you.
Like my phone and my pen?
Exactly. So let's start. Book is libro.
Libro.
Pen is bolígrafo.
Bolígrafo. That's a long one.
Yes, you can also say pluma. That's easier.
Pluma. I like that.
Table is mesa.
Mesa.
Chair is silla.
Silla.
Phone is teléfono.
Teléfono.
And bag is bolsa.
Bolsa.
Great. Let's repeat all of them together. Libro, pluma, mesa, silla, teléfono, bolsa.
Wow, I can already name things in my room.
Exactly. That's how you start thinking in Spanish, by naming objects around you.
Okay, let me try. I see a mesa, a silla, and a teléfono.
Perfect. Muy bien, Ben. Now, everyone's favorite topic, food and drinks.
Oh, yes, I love food.
Me too. Let's start with some basic words. Bread is pan.
Pan.
Rice is arroz.
Arroz.
Apple is manzana.
Manzana.
Water is agua.
Agua.
Milk is leche.
Leche.
Coffee is café.
Café.
And juice is jugo.
Jugo.
Excellent! Let's do a fun question. How do you say, I like apples?
How?
You say, me gusta la manzana.
Me gusta la manzana.
Perfect! And I like coffee is, me gusta el café.
Me gusta el café. Yes, I really do like coffee.
Listeners, repeat after us. Me gusta el café. Me gusta la manzana.
Nice. This is fun.
Learning with food always is. Now let's learn some daily activities. What we do every day.
Okay.
Caminar is to walk.
Caminar.
Despertarse is to wake up.
Despertarse.
Comer is to eat.
Comer.
Estudiar is to study.
Estudiar.
Trabajar is to work.
Trabajar.
Dormir is to sleep.
Dormir.
And caminar is to walk.
Caminar.
Excellent. Now let's make some simple sentences. I study Spanish is yo estudio español.
Yo estudio español.
I eat rice is yo como arroz.
Yo como arroz.
I sleep at night is yo duermo en la noche.
Yo duermo en la noche.
Beautiful. Ben, can you make your own sentence?
Yo camino por la mañana. I walk in the morning.
Perfect. Excellent Spanish.
Yay!
Great job, everyone. You learned so much today. Let's do a short review.
Okay, Teacher Camila, quiz me.
All right. First, how do you say hello?
Hola.
And goodbye?
Adios.
Perfect. Now, what is 3 in Spanish?
Tres.
Great. What's Friday?
Viernes.
Wonderful. What's book?
Libro.
Yes. And water.
Agua.
And if you want to say, I like apples.
Me gusta la manzana.
Excellent. Now, one last question. How do you say, I study Spanish?
Yo estudio español.
Muy bien. That means very good.
Muy bien.
Great work, Ben. You did so well today.
Thanks, Camila. I really had fun. I feel like I can already start small conversations.
That's the goal. Remember, practice every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
I will. And I'll also practice saying miércoles, just because it sounds cool.
Perfect choice. So, dear listeners, keep practicing too. Repeat, listen, and speak out loud.
Yes, don't be shy. Just say it with confidence. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien.
Estoy bien.
Wonderful. In our next episode, we'll learn colors, family members, and basic sentences.
Can't wait.
Until then, adios.
Hasta luego.